What up, you two? What's going on? Back at it again. Just like the typical customer. Maybe like, oh, I wasn't doing that before. But if you can see, down up in there, it's leaking. That's on my transmission or my gear thing. They replaced the isolator bushing and stuff, so now somewhere over there it's puking oil and it's dripping down. So I'm over here at TEC to get it checked out. So when you be driving, it be smoke stuff up in there. But we get that checked out and see what's what. And we'll go from there. Maybe the gasket is wore out or something. But yeah, just a quick little update. Waiting in line. Also had to put some more tires up on there. We grooving. Getting it together though, All right, y'all. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't. Like.